Hey guys, welcome back to Gatler's Workshop. Today we are going to do another scroll saw project. Again with the spiral blade so we can cut in any direction. We're going to use this old piece of 2x4 that has been previously planed down for a different project. And we're going to cut out the state of New Jersey. I have a couple of friends that are local to my area, but they're from New Jersey. And I want to make 3 of these. So I'm going to glue this like I always do, cut this out, and then once it's cut out of the perimeter, turn it and put it through the bandsaw to cut it into 3 different mirror hangings. Just a little gift for some people. So let's get scrolling. Well guys, thanks for watching. There they are. 3 different cutouts of New Jersey. I just didn't have any string again, so I didn't put the hole in it yet, but these are going to be something like a wall hanging or a mirror hanging for in your car over the rear view mirror. I like making things in general. Look, good thing that didn't break. But I like when I meet people, I like making things for them, you know, when I really have an appreciation for their friendship, and it gives me something to do in my shop with my hobby, and nice little gift for people. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.